This 45 square meter apartment belongs to Jerd, and he had a clear vision. No flash, no clutter, just a space that feels modern, calm, and quietly stunning. So we redesigned the living, kitchen, bedroom, and entryway with a modern contemporary approach, elegant, open, and made to impress without trying too hard. For the living area, Jerd a space to relax after a long day and feel proud of how it looked. We started above with a black geometric pendant and linear LED bars for a sharp, modern vibe. The main seat is a low-profile beige sofa, styled with soft pillows. In front, we placed round nesting coffee tables, topped with greenery and a dome lamp. A beige-textured rug grounds the space, while a compact pedestal table and navy poof add utility and style. We also added a slim black floor lamp and floor-length oatmeal blackout curtains to soften the light. Across the room, a marble-look wall panel frames the TV. Below, a white console with wood top keeps things sleek. We finished the look with abstract art, potted plants, and twin slim pendants, pulling everything together. Now, this is a living room that feels quiet, modern, and made for real rest. This kitchen wasn't just about cooking, it needed to feel organized, clean, and elevated. We started with a sculptural black LED pendant that set a bold tone. The L-shaped counter uses light gray quartz-look laminate paired with a charcoal marble-look backsplash, together costing around $280 to $480. Matte beige base cabinets keep things grounded, while oak wood grain uppers and a glass front display add warmth and openness. Appliances were integrated cleanly, with clutter kept to a minimum. Beside them, a tall cabinet holds storage up top and slots the fridge below. A favorite feature? The corner glass display cabinet, lit with LED strips, perfect for Jerd's personal collection. Every detail was chosen with care, and every inch made to feel useful and refined. Now, let's head into the bedroom, Jerd's favorite space. We started with a slim black linear ceiling light for a sleek, modern touch. Behind the bed is a full-height walnut slatted wall with a smooth panel headboard and LED backlighting for depth and warmth. At the center, a low-profile gray upholstered bed is layered with soft pillows and muted bedding. Underneath, a large neutral rug adds comfort. On the side, we placed modern nightstands, topped with greenery and books, and added glass globe pendant lights above. A piece of abstract wall art ties it together. His built-in wardrobe is sleek and handle-free, depending on materials. Opposite the bed, a wood desk setup with a white drawer cabinet gives him a functional workspace. We paired it with a gray swivel chair and topped the desk with an adjustable black lamp. Finally, we dressed the window in full-height textured curtains for softness and privacy. Now, it's the kind of bedroom that truly feels like his own, quiet, practical, and perfectly styled. For Jerd, the entryway had to feel structured and elegant from the very first step. We started with a sleek white shoe cabinet, styled with a vase with plants and a dome lamp. Across the hall, a wood-slatted wall, full-height backlit mirror, and floating console created a standout feature. To add glow, we hung glass pendants in warm amber tones and added touches of greenery. Below, a curved velvet bench offers a comfy spot to sit or remove shoes. On the adjacent wall, full-height matte white cabinets give Jerd extra storage without clutter. We finished with a tall indoor plant and neutral-framed art, calm, composed, and personal. This entryway now feels complete, functional, refined, and made just for him. This is what modern contemporary is all about: flow, calm, and quiet confidence. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure to subscribe.